And the Roseville Joint Union High School District Board voted last night to make masks optional for their students.
Let's check in with KCRA3 Stephanie Lynn, standing by live for us. She's at the district office right now in Roseville with more on this decision. Stephanie.
Yeah, Golston, Edie, it's a very controversial move by the board here at the district. Starting next Tuesday, students district-wide will not have to wear their masks indoors if they choose not to. And that's a move that not everyone is happy about.
It's kind of scary.
Today, we spoke with students surprised at the district's decision to make face masks optional for kids in classrooms.
My grandparents had COVID. They could have lost their lives. The whole situation is I don't see why wearing a mask is such a big deal.
If my daughter is still wearing a mask at the end of this year, Superintendent Becker should be fired and the rest of you should resign.
The fight over face masks played out at the district meeting Thursday night. Some families showing outrage over the state's decision to keep the mask mandate for students.
I'm just asking that you give our kids the choice, especially when the people that are supposed to be governing us, our governor, our mayors, are flaunting it.
I am begging you, let us have mask choice. Having the right to breathe is just as important as someone else's fear.
Opinions the board chose to side with. We are aware of the growing mental health concerns of our young people, and we are taking the initiative to allow students and families to decide which option is best for them, the board president shared in a statement to parents today. The rule applies to all students, whether they are vaccinated or not.
I believe that if you're vaccinated or if you have a booster and all of that, then I think you could have a choice. But at the same time, it's I don't want to go back to how things were before.
Under Cal OSHA guidelines, the indoor masking requirements will still be upheld for employees of the district. The board's move also goes against public health guidelines. A letter sent from the state's chief health officer in August reads that failure to enforce the mask requirement breaches not only a legal duty, but the first and foremost duty of every school leader to protect students.
There are many people that are vaccinated and stuff, and they think it's fine to go back, but people that aren't, it might be dangerous for them if we stop wearing masks.
And that resolution does go into effect Tuesday, February 15th. And again, it only applies to students. Reporting live in Roseville, Stephanie Lynn, KCRA3 News.